Hey gang, Scott with the Scott Gartner Group here, and we are juiced. We're at one of the biggest events of the year here in Scottsdale North, the Barrett-Jackson car auction. By the way, you'll almost never hear anybody say car auction after Barrett-Jackson, because that's not what it's about. 99.9% of the people here are here to either watch people or look at great cars. That's why you come here, and it really is a great people watching event. We'll give you a feel for some of that, some of the great cars. Come on inside.